What's poppin'? Welcome back to the Kimberlin challenge with Kimberlin. Yeah, I'm new. I have 3 subscribers. Remember, I'm new on this video. And make sure, like this video, we have a crazy challenge, and we're gonna do a candy challenge with this pack. This is the Kimberlin challenge. Okay, let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, okay. Warning, a sour candy challenge is up my way, and I'm gonna eat it the most. We're doing a sour candy challenge. Whoever eats the most sour candy challenge wins. I never tried anything sour, so I win. Happy New Year. Was open okay. Extreme sour. Let's do open our first sour candy. Let's open it. That's literally hard. I got it. Ooh. I opened a little. Let me see this. Sour? Ew. So silly. I know. Well, guys, we just tried this. This is literally blueberry good and sour. I give this out like an 8. That thing was sour with these little toppings. If there was nothing, there'd be no sourness, and that would be fun. Is that candy? Yeah, this is our next candy. It's a little bar. Okay, wait for me. This looks. I'm about to do the sour patch or the sour punch. Let's try it. It knows sour. That's that. And that sour is so good. I ain't that sour. It's falling down now. And try it again. Like a big bite. It's kind of sour, not that much. That's so good. Oh, is this?
Bruh.
I have to get some water because this candy right there, that was sour. And the candy we just ate tastes like strawberry and blueberry mixed up together, and it makes a weird kind of fruit, like a devil fruit or a god fruit or something. And that was not good. It tastes like what? I know, we have to get some water, so let's drink. Okay. Okay, and make sure that don't forget the rolling, because the rolling throwing is the very hot like spicy. And that's what the owner said. So let's get our next one. Our next one is a burger. Yeah. I don't know about burgers. Hey, could you please help me? I can try it. I can try it. Oh, that was easy now. Just wait for me. Dude, it's literally a sour burger. Oh, you can even get up to tastes white. It's not sour at all. It's good. Oh, no. When I just taste that burger, it is not sour. yet.
Okay, I'm gonna say like this.
So like, because everyone don't eat the whole thing. So let's get on the next one.
Okay, so it's this. Wait. It's sour.
Huh?
It's sour.
It is sour?
No.
Oh, let me.
Why?
When I said it was sour, they were wrong. It is not sour.
Huh?
It is not sour.
I ate it all.
It's not sour, it's kind of good. It feels like getting old to me. I have to try our sour water, which is hard to get out the box.
It's so.
Just push it! Push! Oh, I got one! Oh my god.
Oh.
This might be the sourest out of all these. I think it's this one. No! Whoa! Whoa! Aiden, lick that! Lick that! That is sour! Lick that! That is so. I can't even bite it.
It's so hot. It burned my mouth so much. Oh my
god!
God.
The next one is sour gummy bears, which don't look so. Wait, these are normal.
Yeah. Taste like normal. It tastes like original.
That's good. Not sour.
It's not sour, Mom. Why do you think it's not sour?
Cause she thought it was kind of sour. It looked sour because it was like 0.1% sour only.
Why? 1%.
No, I said 0.1%.
I mean, 0.
No, 1%.
That was so sour. It was so sour.
No. Oh my! I'm literally. Our next one would be. Oh my god.
This is cute. I got it.
Lick it.
Oh.
That is not sour.
How did?
I got a red one.
Okay, the next candy
Is the hot one that we told you. Do not eat this if you're like 7 and plus. Oh my god. I know it's sour, but it's hot. So you don't like hot food?
Okay, let me. Whoa, that's so crazy.
This is hard. I'm worried about to drink some water. Damn, eat this. In 3. Oh. My legs are green.
See this. That's sour.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look. My hand.
I guess it wasn't hot after all.
And this is hot. Let me drink.
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 Try this one.
Drink.
Actually, my next one would be this. Literally. This might be like, hold on, which one?
I don't know, scared.
This one's a little. And guys, wait and make sure you stay into the video so you can see us eating that. That's the sourest out of all of these candies. And warning, sour candy is literally sour.
It's really super sour. Wait, we ain't eating it, okay?
Nope. Ah!
That was so sour. That was 100% sour.
I go down like this. Okay, our next one. Wait, do we eat this? Oh. Holy cow. I don't know. Do you think we have...
Yummy.
I think we will have to break after this one. And Paul, okay, go.
It's
3, 2, 1, eat it. Wait, that's not sour?
What? What? Sour.
It's not sour.
It said worse. Sour.
It's a kind of sour, not that much.
Yeah.
Now our next candy would be is this one, which I love it. It's just lost mine for some reason. So Aiden, eat this.
Yeah.
Eat this. Is it sour?
Wait. Oh.
It kind of is. Look it. From this side. Look at that part. Is that sour? Oh, yes! No!
No. I'm gonna try that.
Our next one is gonna be our next one is Skittles. I don't even know if I like Skittles, but I can't forfeit, so I'm just gonna guess. Wait, that's not it. I think I tried this before. Yeah, I did. Look. Try it. Oh, wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! That is hot. That is literally spicy.
Isn't it hot?
I know it's spicy. Well,
Oh, lemon. We tried lemon.
so we got grape, green apple, lemon, orange, and strawberry.
Hey, look.
We're getting close.
We are
So
close.
the next one is, we're going to do the fun dip. So, and it also comes with this pack, which I'm getting blue right in because that's my
I
favorite.
got that.
And you get red.
No, I don't.
You get red and I get blue because I'm on the side of blue. Oh! Yo, that's sour. Yo. No. Open this one.
I want to raise.
I know this. Oh wait, that's sweet. Wait, Aiden, I only think there's only one dipper. There's only one dipper. So we're gonna have to try it. I'm gonna save it for some reason. Holy cow, it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
This one's gonna taste so good, right?
We need to
And
clean
then
this.
comes like in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is the toxic wet.
So we got this. It's the sourest candy. So that's why we're really happy. Now you remember me and Aiden are cousins. Yeah, we're cousins. Toxic ways. Now you like 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Lick it.
I can't open this. I suck.
Just push it like that. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lick it. Oh my God! like 10,000 times that sour in this. Ow! Oh, it's okay, guys, it's all about the video.
All right, Aiden. So, which one was your favorite candy?
So it was
The Skittles. Hold them up. Let's see them. And why was that your favorite candy?
because the other one was sour.
Yeah. So you thought that one. Which one you think is the most sourest candy? That one's super sour. All right, King. What was your favorite?
Mine is the little stick that I ate a lot.
Okay, so you like the sugar, the fun dip.
Yep.
Yeah,
I
that
hold
was
it
fun.
up because I just ate a lot of it. But I think the most sourest one was the toxic waste.
The toxic waste one. What did it taste like?
It literally tastes like toxic.
It's so sour either.
I know it's the sourest thing in the entire freaking universe.
So what is one thing you guys want to say to everyone that's watching?
Where's Papa?
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video by hitting the thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the notification so you can never miss out on a brand new video. Look at our picture and say, what is your favorite candy out of all these candies from this entire video? See you later. Bye!
You ever had a dreams that you could say that? No, I say that.
No, I said that. I said that.
Oh my God.
I said so. But you like